Hi, I'm Junadur Rahman. In this short presentation, I will share my Google Ad experience. Okay, I help local business generate more lead calls by Google Ads campaign. Okay, then this slide about me. Uh, then my core experience including Google Search Ad, Performance Max, and display YouTube and conversion tracking and GA4 GTM and campaign optimization and at copywriting and keyword research. Okay, so then my industry I work with you like plumbing, HBI, roofing, pest control, electrician, cleaning service, auto detailing, and dental, then law firm and real estate local service. Okay, so then my campaign workflow. First, I understand the business goal, uh, define objective and KPI. Okay, then move forward to make a competitor research, analyze it. Okay, then number third, keyword research, identify high intent keyword. Number four, campaign structure, build a organized account or ad group structure. Okay, then write ad copy, write ad copy for campaign. Okay, then just set up the conversion tracking. Okay, then launch campaign goal with a. Okay, then optimization, then number 9 is scaling. Okay, so next slide, my campaign setup checklist. Okay, this slide, optimization strategy. Okay, launching a campaign is just the beginning. Contribution optimization is where real performance gain happens. Okay, first I analyze the search term report, quality score, and device location performance, and then reward weekly. Okay, then test A/B test, add copy, landing page, and bid strategy to identify winner. Okay, then optimization, negative keyword, CPC adjustment, and budget real location to top performance. Okay, then scaling. Okay, this slide for reporting and analytics. Okay, what I track and report: weekly or monthly report, CTR, CPC, CPA, conversion, ROI, click, impression. Okay, then performance increasing. Then tools I use including Google Analytics 4, Google Tag Manager, Local Studio. It's optional. Then Keyword Planner, then Canva, ChatGPT, Google Sheet, Google Docs, whatever. This slide how I work with me because of data-driven decision. Every strategy is grounded in a performance data, not guys work. Okay, then lead generation expert focus, then clear communication work, then relevant term report. Okay, so let's connect, contact. Thank you, let's grow together. I am looking forward to working with you. Best of luck. Thank you for watching.